Hello everyone! Today we're making a fast and fresh dinner that's going to be ready in under 10 minutes. This is a ginger garlic string beans with thinly sliced beef cooked to perfection. You're gonna think twice about ordering takeout after watching this recipe. I guarantee it's gonna be a new usual on your dinner table. We're starting off here with our wok. We're going to get this pan really hot on a high temperature with a few teaspoons of oil, and then we're adding our thinly sliced beef. I popped this beef in the freezer for a few minutes to firm it up a bit so we're able to slice it as thinly as possible. We're adding salt and pepper, and we're gonna cook this meat really well so that it gets all that crispiness around the edges. That's gonna be another level of flavor. As you can see, the beef is nice and crispy around the edges like I was saying. So what I'm going to do now is push the beef to the side, and I'm adding chopped garlic and fresh ginger. It's gonna saute for a few seconds, and this is when your house is gonna start smelling so good. For this sauce, I'm simply just adding soy sauce with some cornstarch mixed with water, as well as some rice vinegar. And we're going to be stirring this up, and as you can see, it's gonna start getting nice and thick. I'm now adding the green beans to the pan, and these I steamed in the microwave for a few minutes in a bowl with a cup of water while the meat was frying. We're gonna mix this into the meat so that all the sauce is incorporated together, and that's about it, guys. Your green beans with beef is done. See, I told you how easy it was gonna be. Dinner is ready in under a few minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. All the ingredients are listed down below, and let me know if you tried it out in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my future wonderful recipes that I know you're gonna love. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.